It's February 24th and time to harvest some jalapeños and other peppers. This is a planted bed, just to have some fun. In the first growing season, we have a split season here. We're in zone 10B. So I've got some mostly herbs over here, tomato. This is a big tomato. This is the first thing I planted over here. I didn't realize how big it was gonna get. I didn't know about trimming tomatoes. This was a learning lesson for me. And then this was another one that was planted. This is a small super chili. This is pretty spicy actually. I need to trim some of these or harvest some of these. We have garlic growing up, ginger growing here. Garlic coming up here just now. These beautiful jalapeno peppers. So we have to harvest some of these so it keeps producing flowers. We've got a lot more that it needs to focus on already anyway. And this is a cachucha pepper. It's a Cuban pepper. We have tons of peppers growing underneath it. I think we might harvest a couple of these and see if they're ready, because I really don't know when they're ready. And this is another jalapeno in the corner, not nearly as quick to grow. So learning about this corner back here, a little bit of cilantro thrown in there. Beautiful. The more you trim, the more they fruit, because the plant doesn't know that it's producing mature seeds. It's saying, I didn't produce mature seeds, I need to make more fruit. I'm losing fruit somehow. Whoa, those two big ones. All right, got a bunch of chilies on here. Once it gets warmer, these will turn red, but they're actually good green too. They're pretty spicy. Ooh. Some cachucha peppers. Just a couple, so we'll see how ripe they are, how they taste. Yeah. All right, well, we end up with more than I thought we were going to. I just did the herbs and the peppers, but they're getting pretty good right here. Check it out. We got thyme and a bunch of oregano, basil. I cleared out the bottom of the basil plants to give them more airflow and get rid of some of the sicker leaves at the bottom. These are all really nice basil leaves. And then we also got some parsley that's growing, clearing out the bottom of that. I really have just too many herbs to be able to use. I can't use all of them. I end up composting some of them or feeding them to the rabbit, which ends up going back into her poo and litter, and then going back into the compost, and then going back into the garden.